Hello YouTube, how y'all doing today? We are doing a review here on the Survival Filter Portable Survivor Filter Pro. So this is a 3-stage filter with a pump to suck the water out of your vessel. And we have a vessel right here with some dirty water in it. We'll be using to test this setup. Okay, so part 1 is our pre-filter. Now, the Ultra Filter Pre-Filter is the first stage. It traps large particles and removes algae, Giardia, E. coli, protozoa, cryptosporidium, and 0.1 microns. It can be used up to 26,417 gallons, which is 100,000 liters. So that's got some staying power. Stage 2 is our carbon filter. This is located inside the chamber. It all goes in here, and this attaches to this. And it's designed to help reduce heavy metals, chemicals, pollutants, and odor, while also improving water taste. And this can be used for up to 528 gallons, which is 2,000 liters, and they do, of course, obviously sell replacements on their website. Stage 3 is the Ultra Filter, and that's this guy here. And it's the final stage of filtration, and independent tests, according to the company, have shown that this filter removes 99.999% of tested virus and staph with a 0.01 micron rating. And it can be used up to 100,000 liters or 26,417 gallons. So the only one that has what you would call a short duration lifespan that you would have to replace fairly regularly, maybe every year or so, would be the stage 2. 1 and 3 are long-term filters. Now, this also comes with the syringe. So what you would do is, this is after you use the filter, you're going to clean the filter after every use. You're going to fill the syringe with clean water or vinegar and water at a 1-to-1 ratio and attach it to the pre-filter or the ultra filter tip. You're going to push the clean water from the syringe through and repeat as necessary to dislodge any trapped particles. So you want to see clean water with clean particle water free coming out of the other end. And remember to always air dry your filters. Now, this is very important. If these things are fine to freeze in freezing temperatures, but once you use it, if it's wet and it freezes, it can destroy the filter media and all these types of filters. So always make sure if you use it and it's really cold out, put this somewhere that it's going to stay nice and warm, like in the filter elements. Put them in your pants pocket, put them in a plastic pouch, put it down the front of your drawers. You want to keep it close to your body heat so that it'll stay nice and warm, won't freeze, because you don't want to destroy your filter element. Okay, now this is not designed for salt water. It can filter salt water, but it can destroy the filter, so it's not designed for that. Okay, it's just something to point out. Okay, so what we're going to do here is we are going to show how this works. Okay, so now we have this set up. The pre-filter goes in the bottom end, and the outlet water goes to the top end, and it comes with clips, so you can clip it to your lapel or your jacket and have it right by your mouth to drink from. It also comes with a nice cup, so when you're done using it, fold this up. Cup fits right over top. It's a nice compact setup. But this way you have a drinking cup that comes with the filter. Now, this filter is made out of an ABS type plastic. It feels sturdy and robust. I would not go throwing this off a rooftop, but as long as you're keeping this within normal use and not like abusing it and smashing it on rocks, this will be plenty durable for you. So, okay, let's get this back on here. And let's get our water and filter some water. Okay, so the first thing you want to do, you can see we got it in there. First thing you want to do is prime the pump. So you're going to pump the pump about this hand pump. You're going to pump this about 10 times, get it primed. And that'll get the water moving through. And then once the water is moving through, let's put this here somewhere where it's not going to tip over. Once you got your water moving through, you're just going to pump. And you're going to fill your glass right up. And we can see this works nice and easy. Just got to keep this in here. You can also use this clip. Now that I'm looking at it, use this clip to make sure your hose doesn't fall out. Stick that in there like this. And this will keep our hose in our glass. Okay, so there we got our water. And of course, the ultimate test. Do I trust it enough to drink it? Well, if I suddenly die, guys, you're going to know what happened, but bottoms up. Tastes good. Bottoms up. All right, folks, so that was our demonstration of the portable water pump with filter, the Survivor Filter Pro. You can see their logo right there, and I'll put a link to purchase it on the screen. There's the UPC code. But this is a very nice little setup, and it also comes with this nice carrying bag. You can strap it to yourself. You can put it in your pack, but nice, really nice little filter pump. Really, really nice. All right, folks, I thank you for watching, as always. I hope this was informative and enjoyable, and maybe a little entertaining. And if I die, please send me, remember my family in your will. All right, thanks. Freedom by me, out.